y'all, it's Laura, and I'm really excited to be a part of the How to Kill a Kit with Style group for 2019, and I have put together a homemade kit that is based on two things. One, the Cocoa Vanilla Midnight collection, which I love and have yet to touch, and also using the Maggie Holmes sticker book, which, as you can see, coordinates quite nicely. So using basically these two things right here, this paper and this sticker book, that is what I used as my inspiration to put together this kit. Sometimes I use photos, this time I'm using a paper and a sticker book. So to start with, I'm obsessed with Cocoa Vanilla, so of course I've included every single paper from that collection. So just briefly, these are all from the Cocoa Vanilla Midnight collection with a few extras at the back. So I'll just briefly flip through them, show you some of the gorgeousness involved here. I like that there are a selection of black and white and simple, easy to use patterns, as well as the busier patterns and the larger patterns. There's a really good mix in the Cocoa Vanilla collection. There's a lot of great backgrounds, as well as cut-aparts. So this not only has 3x4 cut-aparts, it also has some labels down here. And the back is, of course, a really pretty pink. And then this beautiful mixed media looking background paper is gorgeous. Absolutely love that. With a very simple script on the other side. Another cut-apart. But this one is more like those Paige Evans papers that have, you know, just a little bit of every paper in the collection, and I love this. Very, very cool. You could use it for cards, but you could also punch shapes out of it, or use it for layering. Also, the papers are super thick, which I love. This beautiful, very pale, nice, easy to use. This is gorgeous. I think this and that mixed media paper are my two favorites in this collection. Absolutely love them. With a nice blue on the back. We've got a really beautiful wood grain, very rustic, with a lovely sunset pink ombre happening in the back. And this gorgeous, gorgeous floral with a nice thick black stripe on the back. And then here are a couple papers I added in to tie in some of the more teal colors from the Maggie Holmes sticker book. So these obviously go very well together as well. So this is a Pink Fresh Let Your Heart Decide paper from my stash. And these two are from Heidi Swapp's Pineapple Crush collection, bringing in a little bit of that teal. So there are also some black and white here. So those are my papers. It's a huge, huge selection to give you an idea of the color scheme that I'm working with here. We got lots of pinks, a little bit of purple and navy, and a little bit of teal, just a little bit. And my sticker book. And then I've added in a few things from the Cocoa Vanilla collection I think will make it easy to use. So I've got the titles. There's 25 titles in here. Here's a look at some of the words in there. They're just die cuts, and I can just put them up onto foam if I want to, or leave them flat. Then we have the 6x12 sticker sheet that comes with the paper collection. So it's got a little bit of everything, plus little tiny words, which I love. And the ephemera pack. So this ephemera pack has lots of florals. It has frames, it has tabs, it has just everything. Everything you could want in an ephemera pack, right? So there's that. And then I'm bringing in a couple of wild cards. These are things from my stash that I have found difficult to use, and I want to challenge myself to use them. So I've got, well, this is not a challenge. These are just some enamel dots that actually went to the Bohemian Dreams collection, but as you can see, match quite nicely with this collection as well. Here's the first challenge. These are some acetate from Freckled Fawn. They're absolutely beautiful, but I've never used them. And I have a couple packs of these actually from a couple of those little sampler packs, or what are they called? Screw up packs or whatever. And so there's a bunch in here. I'd like to give these a try. I also picked up this Hello chipboard word from Dear Lizzie that's been sitting in my stash. And this one giant chipboard tag. I have a whole bunch of these that I got from Michael's on super clearance, and I thought I'd check one of those in as well. Now for titles, I do have those lovely titles here, but I need variety. So I've brought in the Paige Evans Happy Life, little ones that are kind of a goldish, copperish color here on the side, and a rose gold on the other side, both of which will work well with this color scheme. And then I've got the Chamel Hope and Dream thickers. This is a heavily used pack, hoping to make a bigger dent in this. Use up as much as possible. Put those off there. Then we have the Dear Lizzie thickers called Fox, and they're in dark navy glitter. We have to have glitter, people. It has to happen. It has to happen. And then these gorgeous stickers that are called Catherine. And they just have some really nice titles. I love this kind of a dull gold foil. It's just beautiful, super easy to use. And we're not done. Yeah, this is a lot of stuff, but it's gonna work. I'm gonna make a lot of layouts. I've got a couple of sequins to play with. I've got Wonderland, which is just a very shimmery white sequin from Spiegel Mom Scraps. I've got Cotton Candyland, really beautiful pink with some green. Thought that might be fun. And Fallen for You, which has a really nice variety of like a peachy pinks in there, a little bit of purple. Thought that might work well too. And then this pack of cork and wood veneer and foam pieces from a Citrus Twist. They used to do these little grab bags of wood pieces, and I love them. I think they're called like the Bits and Pieces kit or something, and they were super cheap. I think they were like $3, but look how much stuff you get. So I thought I'd chuck that in for a little added texture and fun. And to round it out, washi. So I've got a nice copper wood grain. I have a nice bright pink that matches beautifully to the Cocoa Vanilla pink. I have a navy with stars and a very light kind of dull gold stripe that looks really nice with these thickers. So that is my kit. I am so excited to be a part of the How to Kill a Kit series, and I will be having lots of layouts for you coming to the channel this month. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. Let me know what you think of my kit below, and until next time, bye!